Namaskar students. Hope you are hale and hearty, taking care of your health and your studies. Today, we are going to study about the gift nature has given us in the form of minerals and other resources. Today, we are going to do chapter number 3 from our geography book, Resources and Development. Name of the chapter is Mineral and Power Resources. So, let's get going. Kiri was visiting Sukant in his native place near Dhanbad. Kiri was amazed to see that large areas were black. Sukant, why is this place so black and dusty? She asked. This is because of the coal mines nearby. Do you see that truck? They are carrying the mineral coal, replied Sukant. What are minerals? Asked Kiri. Sukant replied, have you ever seen a baker baking biscuits? The flour, milk, sugar, and sometimes eggs are mixed together. While eating the baked biscuit, can you see these ingredients separately? Just as in the biscuits, there are a number of things that you cannot see. Rocks on this earth have several materials called minerals mixed in them. These minerals are scattered throughout the earth's rocky crust. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formations. Some minerals are found in areas which are not easily accessible, such as Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. Minerals are formed in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. They are created by natural processes without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. So, what are the different types of minerals? Let's see. There are over 3,000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, magnesium ore are some examples. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Now, what is a ferrous mineral? It's like iron ore, manganese, and chromides, which contains iron. A non-ferrous mineral does not contain iron, but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. So, what are the non-metallic minerals? These non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. These are like limestone, mica, and gypsum. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling, or quarrying. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depth are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths. This is called shaft mining. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. So, how are these minerals distributed? Minerals occur in different types of rocks. Some are found in igneous rocks, some in metamorphic, which others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada, iron, nickel, chromite, and platinum in South Africa are examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formation of plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Limestone deposits of Caucasus region of France, manganese deposits of Georgia, and Ukraine and phosphate beds of Algeria are some examples. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. Asia, China, and India have large iron ore deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony, and tungsten. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. Mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc, magnesium, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. North America. The mineral deposits in North America are located in three zones: Canadian region, Appalachian region, and mountain ranges of the West. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in Canadian Shield region, coal in Appalachian region, and Western Cordillera have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are leading producers of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producers of tin. South America also has largest deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Talking about the continent of Africa, Africa is rich in mineral resources. It is world's largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire produce a large portion of world's gold. The other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. Now, talking about the last one is Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and magnesium. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. Now, the Antarctica region. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of variety of mineral deposits, some probably large. Significant size of deposits of coal in the Transantarctic Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver, and oil are also present in commercial quantities. Uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from the quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore. Bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling industry, buildings, and even in kitchen cookware. Now, how the conservation of minerals is to be done? Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which humans consume them. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metal is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. With the advent of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very quickly. Power or energy plays a very vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non conventional resources. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate at which their growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. So, these are likely to be exhausted very soon. So, this has led to the tapping of various non conventional sources of energy that are cleaner alternatives to the fossil fuels. One of them is like hydel power. Hydel power, the rainwater or the river water stored in the dams, is made to fall from heights. The falling water flows through the pipelines inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Bhakra Nangal Dam is an example of such a project in India. Non conventional sources of energy. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to its shortage. It is estimated that if the present rate of consumption continues, the reserves of these fuel will get exhausted. Moreover, their use also causes environmental pollution. Therefore, there is a need for using non conventional sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, which are renewable. Solar energy is converting sun's heat and light energy into electricity. Many of these cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. Wind energy. Wind is an inexhaustible source of energy. Windmills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water since times immemorial. In modern times, windmills, the high speed winds rotate the windmill which is connected to the generator to produce electricity. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA and Spain and noted for their wind energy production. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of the atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fission in nuclear reactors and emit power. The greatest producer of nuclear power are USA and Europe. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantities in monazite sands of Kerala. The nuclear power stations in India are located in Kalapakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, and Kaiga in Karnataka. Geothermal energy is the heat energy obtained from the earth. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily as we go deeper. Sometimes this heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot spring. The heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy in the form of hot spring has been used for cooking, heating and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. During high tide, the energy of tides is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia, France, and Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tidal mill farms. Biogas organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted in gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting that produces huge amount of organic manure each year. So, energy is everywhere, but we can see that harnessing the energy is both difficult as well as a costly affair. Each one of us can make a difference by not wasting energy. Energy saved is energy generated. Act now and make brighter energy future. World Mineral Map. A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic element or compound having an orderly internal structure and characteristic chemical composition, crystal form, and physical properties. Minerals are found all over the world in the form of deposits. Some common minerals are copper, gold, lead, and nickel. Looking at this map, we can clearly see various types of minerals in various continents of the world. World minerals marked on the mineral map of world are uranium, silver, oil, lead, zinc, iron, diamond, bauxite, coal, copper, and gold. Mineral reserves have a significant impact on the economy of the countries possessing these minerals as a part of the mineral mining industry, which are used for many vital functions. Minerals have proven to be a driving force in the economies of the countries around the world and throughout the history have driven both colonization and wars. Indigenous communities have frequently been exploited through history and even today because of their proximity to important minerals such as diamonds. The native population have provided cheap mining labor to outside nations who sometimes conquered and exploited the people and their land to achieve access to the minerals. Australia is a continent with the world's largest uranium reserves. Canada is the largest exporter of uranium ore. Mexico is the largest silver exporter in the world. Earlier, diamonds were found only in alluvial deposits of southern India. Though today, diamonds are also found in Africa, South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, the Republic of Congo, Tanzania, and Congo. The most common element found on earth is iron. The five largest producers of iron ore are China, Brazil, Australia, Russia, and India. These five countries account for about 70% of the world's iron ore production. Canada, the United States of America, and Western Australia are also major mining locations for gold. The world's oceans also hold vast amount of gold. Copper ore can be found in Chile, Mexico, United States, Indonesia, Australia, Peru, Russia, Canada, China, Poland, and Kazakhstan. Oil reserves are be found in Canada, United States, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, United Arab Emirates, and Kuwait. As a scarce but vital source of energy, oil has caused many international conflicts around the world. Bauxite reserves are found in Australia, Brazil, Guyana, India, Jamaica, Russia, United States, and Venezuela. I hope today's session was fruitful for you. Let's try to analyze how much have we learnt out of it. So let's do it. On your screens, you can see a question following which are the 4 options. You need to pick the correct option. So let's do it. Minerals found in dash are not accessible. Greenland, Serbia, Antarctica, or Japan. Correct answer, Antarctica. Minerals found in Antarctica are not accessible. The example of ferrous mineral is manganese, limestone, coal, or petroleum. Yes, the example of ferrous mineral is manganese. An example of mineral fuel is coal, bauxite, iron, or gold. Everybody knows about it that the mineral fuel in these options is coal. Very good. Limestone is a dash mineral: ferrous, metallic, non-metallic, or non-ferrous. Limestone is a non-metallic mineral. Okay. Minerals found near Earth's surface are taken out by the process of quarrying, drilling, digging, or weathering. Yes, it is quarrying. Now, there are certain statements out here. You have to tell me if they are true or false. Iron is a non-metallic mineral. No, it is false. Iron is a metallic mineral. Asia, China, and India have iron ore deposits. Gold is found in Kolar in Kerala. This is a false statement. Last, minerals are the backbone of industrialization. True. On your screens, you can see certain blanks. You have to fill them with the correct word. So, thorium, very right, is found in large quantities in monazite sands of Kerala. Very good. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Wind is an inexhaustible source of energy. Solar energy is used in solar heaters, solar cookers, etc. Correct. With this, we come to the end of this video. We'll be back with another one. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep studying. Namaskar.